What's up, everybody? Happy 4th of July. So I'm down at the parade right now in Eagle Point, Oregon, the small town I live in. People from even other towns even come to our parade. The whole main street shuts down, the parade comes through town, and I got a whole bunch of footage of it. So let's check that stuff out, huh? Trip downtown in Eagle Point again, this time for the fireworks show for the Eagle Point High School. They actually put on a pretty killer fireworks show every year. At least they did in the past. I haven't been here in a few years, but I'm pretty sure they still do a pretty killer job. And hopefully there's some good drone footage that I can get to you guys. I got a friend that's supposed to be flying here tonight. So I'm going to see if I can get my hands on some of his footage. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. We'll see what happens. But I'm just here with family. Got our little area set up. Just waiting for the fireworks to start. Well, so that's it. That's the fireworks. That's Eagle Point, Oregon. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down there. And I'm going to keep on bringing you guys some killer content. Just keep getting better and better. Peace out.